Yeah, I don't know how long this is going to run for, but computer's down all day long. Can't upload, can't do anything. Back to Washington Irving. You know, the diary, 1828, 1829. Believe it or not, we end up back in Constantinople, my grandmother's little village. I swear to God. So now we have a plank between 53, actually, between 51, 52, and 53. The plank. First, Booker T. Washington, when he's en route to Norfolk, he will sleep underneath some elevated planks. That's the first plank, it's the second plank. The first plank is at the Metropolitan Museum of Art when they have the EAKINS exhibit. So they are measuring some horse on the plank. It was a big lecture. So we have EAKINS, the plank, and he is measuring the horse. Now we're going to go to MUYBRIDGE. Oh, it took us like 15 years to get to Stanford, MUYBRIDGE, and the galloping horse. Believe it or not. Now, it was the Rabida. And then, trust me, we get back to the Muslims, we get back to the Constantinople, to the Byzantine. Who would have ever known? And Carvel ice cream. The first Carvel is, I think it was called the Sawmill. You can take Route 9 and then you hang that right, and that's the road you go to church, Prophet Elias, Leroy Avenue, Greek Orthodox Church in Yonkers, New York. Very, very interesting. This story is just, because I can safely tell you the 3 times that I went to Washington Irving's house, nothing. But I will try and find that EAKINS at the Metropolitan Museum of Art way, way back, way back. Very good, though. We're almost where we need to be, really. Have a great day. And maybe this will be up. Ooh, I got to do it this way. This way? I don't think it's ever, somehow. And I'm not twinking my neck. It isn't worth it, trust me. But this, I swear to God. And that little artifact with the tissue paper that I think they opened it when I never opened it and my grandmother never opened it, because that is Constantinople. And considering they took it, and I do mean it, there is no forgiveness for that one. Have a good night, guys. Be careful, really.